Imagine a machine that can write laws, diagnose cancer, predict wars, drive cars, replace job, and still doesn't sleep. This is not science fiction, this is artificial intelligence. And it is silently rewriting the future of India and the world. Artificial intelligence means machines that can think, learn, decide, and improve like humans. From ChatGPT talking like humans to algorithms deciding who gets a loan, a job, or even parole, AI is already shaping our lives. Globally, AI is becoming the new oil. The USA dominates AI research, big tech, and military AI. China is using AI for surveillance, smart cities, and facial recognition. Europe is focusing on AI regulation and ethics. Japan and South Korea are using AI for robotics and aging population support. The world is now in an AI arms race, not for territory, but for data, chips, and talent. India is not behind. Government's AI for all vision. India AI mission for compute power, data sets, and startups. AI in Aadhaar verification, DigiLocker, UPI fraud detection. AI helping farmers with crop prediction and weather alerts. AI in healthcare, early cancer detection, and telemedicine. India's strength is data plus digital public infrastructure plus young population. AI will kill jobs, but it will also create new ones. Jobs at risk, data entry, call centers, basic accounting. Jobs emerging, AI engineers, prompt designers, AI ethics officers, data analysts. The real danger is not AI. The real danger is unskilled humans using AI. AI is now entering warfare. Autonomous drones, cyber attacks powered by AI, deep fakes used for political manipulation. This raises a serious question. Who is responsible if an AI commits a war crime? AI also brings serious risks: bias and discrimination, privacy invasion, deepfake misinformation, loss of human control. That's why countries are debating AI laws, AI ethics, and AI governance. For India, the way forward is clear. Invest in AI education and reskilling, create strong AI regulations, promote ethical, inclusive AI, use AI for governance, not surveillance. AI should empower citizens, not control them. Artificial intelligence will not decide India's future. How India uses artificial intelligence will. The choice is ours. Lead the AI revolution or become a victim of it. For more such videos, subscribe to Opinion NW.